How many times have you loved a particular makeup trend but have not worn it because you're scared of something going wrong? Some styles actually can be a little bit of a tricky deal, especially smoky eyes. But it's not really that difficult. With a little bit of practice and a little bit of effort, it's really worthwhile learning it. So let's get to work and I'll show you how to get that beautiful smoky eye. To start with, take a little drop of foundation just to put it on the eyelid. Just a small drop and blend it in. This helps your eyeshadow and your smoky eyes to stay in place. Also, it catches the eyeshadow color really well. Use a hint of translucent powder on the top just to set it. And always for smoky eyes, do remember to put some translucent powder under your eyes to just catch the falling particles of the darker eyeshadow that might fall while you're applying your eyeshadow later on. What I'm doing is taking the Lakme Absolute Baked Eyeshadow in light green and applying it just up to the socket point. This will serve as a good base for what we're going to be doing afterwards. Do the same for a little bit on the lower lid. In fact, for the lower lid, what we can also do is take a little bit of the darker green on the underside. Remember, blending is the key element in doing smoky eyes. Next up is the Lakme Absolute Eyeliner. This kohl pencil is really good because it blends out superbly. I'm taking a little bit of the kohl pencil, applying it very close to the lash line and in a slightly thick manner. If you can see, it's like a millimeter thick, but all through the eyelid. Start at the inner corner, moving outwards. You can either use a brush, you can use the smudger that comes with the kohl pencil, or you can use a sponge applicator. Remember to blend the line out really well. To improve on the blending, you can use a little bit of the Lakme Absolute Baked Eyeshadow in dark green just at the top of this line, as you see here, and just blend out. You finish this by using a little bit of the kohl on the inside of the lower lid. To finish, we use the Absolute Mascara and again start with the lower lid. Applying the mascara from the base of the lashes, going outwards. Then go on to the upper lid and finish the same way, pulling your lashes up. If you need it to be a little more dramatic, you can repeat the whole mascara step one more time. For the day look, I would insist to use just like a brown or a black kohl pencil because that's more suited. And also with the Lakme Absolute kohl pencil, it will not run through like any kind of sticky weather or excessive humidity. It should be fine throughout the day. And as you can see that the translucent powder under the eyes has collected all the excess shadow that has dropped down. We're going to dust it off. And a beautiful model is ready.